Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another SCOUTbox unboxing. So let's see what there is. There we go. There's the card, I think. This one is called Communications. And on the back, there's some information about what should be in the box. So let's take a look. This item on the top is a Wolverine Tough by Smart Bottle. So it is not listed on the card, but it appears to be a fold-out water bottle. It's BPA free, made in the US. I'll do some research and find out what kind of capacity this is. There's lots of this packaging material floating around. So, the second thing here is a Monkey's Fun and Function emergency whistle. Everyone should carry a whistle in the backcountry, as 3 short blasts are the international symbol of needing assistance. So let's see what's next. It is an Inca keychain pen by Night Eyes. I have some other gear by Night Eyes, so let's see. It is waterproof blue ink, writes in extreme environments. Meant for you to just have it says what? Looks like it has a pen and a highlighter. So, it's interesting, something I might put into my everyday carry stuff. The next item is an Ace Camp compass. Weighs only 1.2 ounces. Liquid filled, has multiple scales, a built-in magnifier for reading your maps, and a convenient lanyard. I have, I believe, a really similar compass. So they're always handy to have. Next we have is Lost at Last, a quick camping sticker. You know how I feel about stickers. You never have enough stickers to put on gear. And the last item in here appears to be an essential notebook by Keysmart. Everybody loves a good notebook. This one has a ruler on the back. Let's see if this slides off real easily. It does. And okay, it's one of these. It's got like a grid for like mapping or drawing. It's got a title and a date. So, very cool. So to review, we have a Keysmart Essentials notebook. We have a Lost at Last sticker. We have an Ace Camp map compass. We have a Monkey's emergency whistle, a Night Eyes Inca keychain pen, and a Wolverine Tough Smart Bottle holder. If this is something you would find useful, this is SCOUTbox, built for Scouts by Scouts. Family-friendly outdoor box. I'll put the price up in the upper corner, because I don't remember what the monthly charge is. If you found this information useful, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. And until next time, see you on trip.